Before we dive into how your AvaMax smile is created, it's important to know that each new set of teeth is custom-made just for you. From the very start, we take precise measurements of your mouth to ensure a perfect fit. And it's not just about the fit, your aesthetic preferences are paramount. You can choose the specific color of your teeth and gums, ensuring your new smile matches your unique style and meets your aesthetic needs. Now, let's see how your personalized AvaMax teeth come to life. We kick off the process by crafting your custom titanium frame using a cutting-edge 3D printer. This frame isn't just any frame, it has special spots designed to let your dentist attach it securely to your dental implants. It's the foundation of your new smile, tailored to your mouth's specific dimensions. Next up, we take a unique dental material and meticulously shape it around your custom frame. Then, we apply heat to create a strong bond. This step is crucial as it reinforces your new teeth, making them resilient against bacteria and simplifying your cleaning routine. After shaping, we trim off the excess material to define where your teeth will be situated and fill these spaces with a tooth-like material that mimics the appearance of real teeth perfectly. Heating the materials again, we ensure the colors of your gums and teeth chemically bind together. This not only enhances strength but also boosts resistance to germs. To achieve a lifelike look, we then fill any gaps with a transparent material that resembles natural teeth, enhancing the realism of your new smile. A final round of heating fuses all the materials into a single, solid piece. This step is essential for enhancing strength and preventing germ penetration by eliminating microscopic surface holes. Any remaining excess material is carefully removed to refine the shape of your new, permanent teeth, ensuring they fit comfortably and look incredible. Your new AvaMax teeth are not only super strong and germ-resistant but also designed to resist odors that older types of dental replacements might harbor. The culmination of this meticulous process? A stunning, perfectly fitting smile that's uniquely yours and designed to last. Embrace the confidence that comes with a beautiful, durable AvaMax smile, crafted to your personal aesthetic preferences and tailored for a perfect fit. Welcome to the future of dental implants, a future where your smile shines as brightly as your individuality.